Hello everybody and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian and today we are going to learn how to draw Ant-Man from the Marvel Comics. Now before we even begin, I have some really good trivia for all you Ant-Man fans and Avenger fans out there. Since issue number 1, way back in September of 1963, both Ant-Man and the Wasp have been Avengers, founding members of the team. In fact, only 3 other superheroes can make that claim. Only 3. And I'll give you a hint, Captain America is not one of them. So who do you think these 3 founding members are? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to find out, make sure you watch to the end. At the end of this video, I will tell you exactly who those 3 superheroes are. I thought it would be kind of fun to do this again on all the videos. Let me know what you think. Alright, so we're starting out with the head as we always do. It kind of gives you a reference for the rest of the body. How is yours turning out so far? I think it's probably turning out just fine. Remember what I say, don't worry about being perfect, because when you draw these things, sometimes little mistakes make the picture actually better. So I'm going to tell you guys a secret. I hope you're not mad at me. I have not watched the new Ant-Man movie yet. I know, I'm sorry. Oh, can you believe it? I haven't seen Ant-Man. Now, I think it was Spider-Man. I saw Ant-Man in Spider-Man, but it was kind of one of those short clips, you know what I'm saying? Like he was fighting with the Avengers and everybody else. And yeah, so I have not seen Ant-Man. I've read the comics and stuff like that, but I have not seen the movie. Can you believe it? I'm sorry, guys. I let you down on this one. Have you guys seen the movie? Is there anyone out there who has not seen the movie like me? Now I gotta go see it. I feel bad. But that doesn't mean that we can't draw it and that we can't enjoy it. The helmet is the most defining part of Ant-Man. I love the helmet. It's pretty cool. His superpower is awesome too. Who wouldn't want to become really small or really big and have ant strength? Because everybody knows when you turn small, you have ant strength and you're able to jump really high and do all these cool things. So I wish I could do that. That'd be awesome. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. If I had to be a superhero, I definitely would be Superman, at least today, because like you know, I change my mind all the time. I would love to fly and not have anything hurt me except for kryptonite, because really, when's the last time you guys went to the store and saw some kryptonite? Or walking out in a field, maybe a rock quarry, and saw a glowing rock? Been a long time, hasn't it? So I would basically be invincible. I like when they made the movie Superman and Batman, they made Superman pretty much a god in the eyes of the people, which was kind of cool. You know, new take on Superman. It is almost Halloween here. Oh my gosh, it's so close already, Halloween. What are you guys gonna be? I still don't know what I'm gonna be, and it's only a couple days away, and by the time you even hear this, you will probably be past Halloween. Man, I'll tell you guys what. My son is 7 months old, and he was a Ninja Turtle. He was Donatello. Oh, it was so cute. You guys should see it. So we went to a trunk or treat already, and he showed off his costume. My other son is 7 years old, and he was Skeleton. He wore a little skeleton suit where it was black, and then the skeleton bones were white, and when it's dark, you can only see the skeletons. I've had so many costume ideas roll through my mind. I've wanted to be a Jedi, and I've wanted to be a superhero. No spandex tights, because that would just be really cold, right? It'd be weird. But I thought about being Master Chief. Oh, that'd be a cool costume. But those are expensive. Even the Batman costume can cost like $300 to $600, guys. All right, I've talked a lot. It is time to find out the answer to the trivia question. In issue number 1, way back in September 1963, Ant-Man and the Wasp have been Avengers, founding members of the team, of course. What were the other 3 superheroes? And, like I said, it is not Captain America. The only other heroes that can make this claim are Iron Man, Thor, and the Hulk. So if you've read the old comics, you would know Iron Man, the Incredible Hulk, and Thor are the only other three that can say that they were part of the original Avengers team. Pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this trivia. Thank you so much for listening for it and staying tuned into the channel. It means a lot. Let's see how these drawings are. How did your drawing end up? Mine, pretty good. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? I'm fishing for a compliment, I know. But yours, I'm sure, looks beautiful. Keep working on it. You could draw this 100 times if you want. We're gonna color it in, of course. You could choose any colors you want. Make sure that you do a background because that makes it look really good too. And here we are. Oh, that looks so good, guys. Good job. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and you can see other videos that come out through Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian once again, and I will see you guys on the next video.